Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to go down below, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. And when you click that bell, make sure you click the all notifications, and that way you'll get all the notifications when I do my videos. And if you would please give this video a thumbs up, that helps my channel to grow and YouTube to put out more of my videos. And if you would please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And please remember to share my videos. That also helps more of my videos get out there. So now we'll get into the videos. Oh, also, if you like unboxing videos, this is the week to be watching my channel. I've got at least 3 of them so far to be sharing this week. I'm from taking about a week off a couple weeks ago. I'm quite behind on some things, so really backed up on unboxings. So this week I'll be doing at least 3 so far. So I just wanted to let you know, if you like that, you can be seeing those this week. So I'm doing a paper pumpkin unboxing today, and here's my host code if you would like to order any Stampin' Up! Products or paper pumpkin. You can use that right there. If you need any help, just let me know. But you can go to StampinUp.com. Look for me up top as a demonstrator where it says find a demonstrator. You just click on that button and then click on, then it goes down and you say click on find a demonstrator again. Click on that, and I am in the Kentucky area, but it doesn't matter what area you're in, because if you're online, of course you can use any demonstrator in any state, because I do teach online. So and then if you're ordering, of course, the paper pumpkin, it's also on the Stampin' Up! Side, and you'll find where on the, I believe it's the left side little bar on the Stampin' Up! Website, and you'll see the paper pumpkin. So if you need any help, just get in touch with me through a comment or an email, whichever is easier for you. So here is our paper pumpkin for June. And before I get too far into this, you want to go ahead and order the July paper pumpkin now. You have until the 10th, and it is called Summer Nights. And it is a beautiful kit, so you don't want to miss out on it. And just go ahead and get that order in now before you forget and July 10th gets here, because it's coming up pretty quick. Okay, so now we're going to open up this one. This one is the, like I said, the June kit, and it's called A Box of Sunshine, or June 2020 kit, and it's all done up in a nice pretty yellow with a pretty little sunshine on it. And here's, I'm going to open this up. I hope y'all can see. I'm going to look in my monitor here and make sure. Okay, I wanted to make sure y'all could see this real well. So here is our ink spot for the month. We have a black, basic black, and here's our stamps. Let's see. We get my, okay, so we have a little something to brighten your day. We have a sunshine, we have a smile, hello, sending, you are loved, sunshine, and then just some little line designs here. So that's our polymer stamps. This tells about what's in the kit, And Sarah, who is the CEO, she put together this kit this time. It says, "This is Sarah inspired paper pumpkin kit is here to help you #share sunshine. Once you've made all the cards, use any leftover pieces to decorate the box. Fill it with yellow goodies. Add the included adhesive label. Address it to someone special and brighten their life with a little sunshine. #sunshine. So there's Sarah with her box that she did. Okay. And then it says mini paper pumpkin boxes. Share more sunshine. Want to spread more sunshine? You can use the mini paper pumpkin boxes. Item 153069 from the 2020-2021 annual catalog to create and share even more boxes of sunshine. And there's the little mini boxes. So yeah, those are really cute. I saw those in the catalog. So we're gonna move this stuff out of the way. And here is, look at that pretty orangey yellow paper. And it looks kind of like the bumblebee. I don't know if that's what the color will be or not, but look at, there's all of our products. So I really like this kit. All the kits have been so pretty. I have really liked all the kits. I always keep my tissue paper. Sometimes you can use that, and of course I'm gonna keep this and everything. If I'd have gotten this in time, I was going to do this and maybe give it to my husband for Father's Day, but it did not come in time. So I'm not sure now. I may end up doing this for my mom, which is my mother-in-law, but I just call her my mom because she is really the only mom I really have and have always only really had since I was adopted. That's a long story for another time. So here is our kit. Okay, there's the instructions under there. I like to always hang on to the cardboard. This is for chipboards, great heavy duty chipboard. You can always do something with that. Okay, so here's all the cards that you can be making, and then it shows how you can put the label and decorate your box. Okay, and then inside, these are the instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It tells you what to do here in English, of course French, and other languages. And then down here's a little measurement if you need any measuring. I don't normally go by this. You can if you want. There's been a couple times I've looked at the pictures or anything, but I don't normally. I might glance at it or something. But I normally just look at the pictures on the front, sometimes the back. Here's everything that's included in the kit. It shows you some alternative projects also. These are the projects that you make with the kit, the alternatives that you can make, like the mini paper pumpkin and some others. But in the kit is a box of sunshine, polymer stamps, basic black, archival, Stamp and Spot, which I showed you here. Okay. Card base with gold foil. So we're going to be looking at all this stuff. Card base with gold foil. Let's see. That must be card base with gold foil. That's this right here. Okay. So then it says envelopes with gold foil. That's this. Those are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, those are so pretty. Oh, my mind's thinking of alternatives now. Thinking of alternatives now. Really am. This is die cuts with gold foil. Okay, let's look at the die cuts. Here's the die cuts. Aren't those pretty? Oh, look how pretty those are. So we got some lemons, leaves, sunshine, and pineapple. It's a very pretty. Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if they're talking. We got quite a few die cuts here. I wonder which ones they're talking about. Okay, we got these two. We got tags with gold foil, different sizes. These tags here, which these remind me of the punch slip. I don't think I have this one. Do I? No, and I can't remember what it's called. But there's a punch that you can get that punches out this shape. And then this tag here. Is there just one? Is there just one of those? Let me double check. I think so. Okay. Oh, here's more foiled cards. And then there's one of these. Or is it, wait a minute. Is it one or two? Okay, I think this is what you decorate the box with. This is a sticker, yeah. So I think this is what goes on the box that you decorate. Right here. And then here's some stickers. So that's for the box. Yep. This is what you can decorate your box for. Okay. So we'll set that aside. Here's some more foiled envelopes. So we got lots of those. Set all that aside. Die cut stickers, that's what these are. Adhesive backed sequins, mini dimensionals, and adhesive dots. Okay, and then here's all the other card bases. Did I miss this? Envelope, gold foil, printed die cut, gold foil. Oh, card base. Oh no, I missed this somewhere, but anyway, here's all the other card bases. Look how pretty. Looks like paint. That's what it reminds me of. This one too. I think they mixed the paint. That's so pretty. And then here's the black. I think these are stickers. Are these stickers? Ooh, they are stickers. Cool. Are these stickers too? They're stickers. They're all stickers. These are all stickers. All right. That's cool. Okay. So those are stickers. These are our little mini... lose my voice. Sorry. These are little mini adhesives. Dimensionals. Okay, it's to pop stuff up. And these are the little adhesive dots. And These are, what do you call these? I'm trying to remember what you call them. These are really pretty too. Look how pretty they are. They're like iridescent. These are like little, sequins. My mind is just not here with me today. Y'all forgive me. Been a long weekend. They're sequins, but they're not the kind that you put in a shaker. They're actually already got little stickies on the back, like little clear glue dots, so that you can stick them on your project. Okay, and that's gonna look so pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's gonna look real nice. See there? It's gonna look real pretty on any of these. Just a little pop of something extra. All right. So I'm gonna set this up, and but that's everything. And I'll be doing another video. This is just the unboxing, and I'll come back and we'll do another video and we'll make some of these cards. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know down below if you do get the paper pumpkin, and if you don't, I would love it if you would choose me as your subscriber. And remember, there is my house code, and there's my name for you to choose me as your I'm sorry, not subscriber, demonstrator. You can choose me as your demonstrator, and I would love to start teaching you how to use paper pumpkin kits. So this is a great way for new stampers or new card makers. If you've never made a card before and would like to learn how, great way to start learning. So thank you for watching, and please remember to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon. Have a great day. God bless.